Hi! Why has it literally been a million years since I've like sat here and filmed a video? Get the hair back. Okay, I feel like I've literally forgotten how to film a little bit because it's been that long, but hi. Okay, we're gonna start the video here because why not? So we are gonna do a very summery, a very me makeup look today. I wanted to do this because we were supposed to get a heat wave. That's not happening anymore apparently. My mom has informed me, even though she knows nothing about the weather, she has informed me that we're not going to get the heat wave. So I'm still going to do this video anyway because, to be fair, it's a makeup look that I really like doing. But you'll see, okay? It's a process. So we're just going to be doing that makeup look and we're just going to be having a chat because I feel like I haven't been in my room and I haven't sat down and filmed in a while. I feel like my last few videos have literally just been all over the place, so hi, I've returned. This is disgusting, like McDonald's drinks. It's not good. Anyway, grab your beverage, mine is gross, but have a good beverage instead of what I've got, and enjoy the video. I've done my brows, I just use my Patrick Tar stuff that I usually do. I'm just gonna prep my lips. Actually, I usually do this before I start filming, but this is really good and I wanted to share it because it's really, really nice and I've been using it a lot. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Lip Mask, obsessed with the primer and now this lip mask, so I'm here for it. It smells like watermelon, which I don't actually like. I don't know, I've got like a love-hate relationship with watermelon. Like it's like sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. I can't make up my mind. But then again, I feel like that's me making up my mind with literally everything. I don't know. I feel like I don't like things before I like them. I don't know if that makes sense. That's probably my indecisive Gemini moon. As always. Also, if you don't have lip spatulas, you need them in your life. Like, get on Amazon, get some little spatulas so you don't have to dunk your finger in there because it's kind of gross. So, lips are gonna be prepped. So I was gonna do kind of the eyes first, but the eyes, I don't know, we're gonna do a bit of the face first because we need some help. So I've done my skincare obviously before I started filming. So I've got everything here in my little basket. I was like, is someone in my room? It's my mom's talking on the phone. Okay, it's fine, there's no ghost. We're gonna use the Wet n Wild primer serum. So basically the look for today that we're going for, it's very dewy, very glowy, very summery. I'm hoping that this isn't it for summer. Where did it go? Like, I feel like I feel like me and my friends literally had a huge list. We had like a hot girl summer list. We were like, right, we're gonna do a bunch of shit. We're gonna go on hikes. We were gonna have barbecues. We're gonna do a lot of things, okay? We did a total of none of those things that I've just listed. And now it's just raining every day and now it's really cold. It's that cold that I've now been putting my electric blanket on, which, call me a grandma, but I need my electric blanket and I don't like it. I missed the 30-degree heat that we had kind of around my birthday. But anyway, we're bringing summer back just for this video. So that's the skin, nice and prepped. This is a really, really nice primer, to be fair. We love that. Okay, so foundation wise, I switch up kind of what I want to do with foundation. Obviously I like my tinted moisturisers. I don't like looking like I've got foundation on. I just don't like my face looking like I'm wearing much makeup or any makeup, to be honest. I've kind of gone off the feel of makeup as well. Like if I can feel it, I'm like, no. So I have actually been mixing the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. I've been mixing this in with random tinted moisturisers. We know I like making my little cocktails here. We're gonna do that today, and this is actually a combination I haven't tried. So if we fail, then we're gonna fail together because I don't know how this is gonna go. So let me clean my little palette. The other day my mum was like, do you have a spare like candle plate? I need to put like a little candle, and I was like mixing my foundation on this, like, no. So I'm gonna mix, did I tell you what I was mixing this with? Oh. I'm going to mix it with the Urban Decay Hydra Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator because this Essence ones that I have, it's not the right shade. It's warm cashew, but it's not warm whatsoever. It's very, very light for me. It's all good. So I'm actually going to use the Essence one first. I'm not too, oh no, wait, we're still a bit tan, but my face, the tan on my face has disappeared. Like, that's just non-existent now. Wait, I'm mixing that, but I haven't actually put on what I need to underneath. This guy, so I actually was using this like a good few months ago, maybe in like February, and I just stopped using it, but it's the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Hollywood Filter. I use the shade Tan, which is 5.5. I love the packaging of it. It's just so, it's very Charlotte Tilbury, isn't it? So this is what I like to use. Why have I not been using this in the summer? She's an idiot, isn't she? So I use this kind of underneath my foundation. Yeah, it's kind of dark. Actually, it's kind of okay now that I'm tanned. But I use this kind of where I'd kind of apply like my cream bronzer, and it just kind of gives like a nice glow underneath the foundation. I'm just gonna blend it out with my Luxie angled brush. I keep getting asked in my videos like, oh, what brush are you using? I'm sorry, I keep forgetting. I mean, I reply to the comments, definitely, but like I'm sorry, I keep forgetting to mention them in the video. I said I was gonna do that. I was like, yeah, I'll tell you what brushes I'm using, and then I literally just forget. So that's all done. Nice and glowy as we want. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the foundation. I'm gonna use my Sigma flat angled kabuki brush for it. Okay, she's a bit too light still. I'm gonna mix the Charlotte Tilbury thing in with it to give it more of a bronzy tint, and then that should do it. Right, so concealer, I'm just gonna use the Beauty Bakerie Insta Bake concealer. I use number 12. Okay, while that's kind of like drying under my eyes, I just realised I haven't primed my eyelids, so I'm obviously gonna use my fave, the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. Also, something else I really want to do, I just want to do like a giant makeup order somewhere. I feel like it's been so long since I literally like bought makeup. I can't remember the last time I actually bought something. Also, this is not the time for me to be spending money, honestly. Like, it's pretty much the end of August, okay, so which means it's pretty much September, okay? September for me is probably the most expensive month of the year. Most people, it's probably November, December, you know, Christmas time. No. Mine's September because, oh my god, the amount of Virgos I have to buy for in this month. Well, actually there's 5 Virgos, 1 Libra for the month of September. Oh my god, everyone just decided to be born in September. I won't be shopping for myself for a while because I got all these Virgos to buy for, and obviously them being Virgos, I have to make sure that I get them good shit because they're critical, they're very picky, they're very specific with what they want. For the most part, they're kind of bougie, like, honestly. And then my other best friend who is a Libra, bougie. Okay, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Halo Glow powder from e.l.f. This is so gross, but I keep drinking it. Okay, I'm gonna leave this to bake under my eyes a little bit, and we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. It's a very simple eye look, okay? Very simple. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna be using the Retro Paradise palette, which was like their summer palette last year. This is it for e.l.f. Like, this is like, in my opinion, this is like their best like big eyeshadow palette. I know they have like the mini ones, like the bite-sized ones that I'm obsessed with, but this, like, for the big palettes, this is just the one. I'm gonna take the shade Spotlight. So this is from their Electric Mood. This is like the new collection that they've come out with. I don't know if it's limited edition. If it is, you need to get this set. It comes with another one. I'm pretty sure I've used it in a video before. Okay, let me just brush away that bake first, actually. So these are so good, they're no budge eyeshadow sticks. They literally don't come off. Like, you really have to like clean your eye makeup off like intensely if you want to get these off at night. They're really good, and they're so affordable as well. Okay, I may be a little too heavy-handed because I just fully snapped off. So, my light has died. I love that for me. Anyway, I've got a ring light. Hopefully that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to go into the eyeshadow palette next, and I'm going to take this brown shade, and we're just, you'll see what I'm doing. It's very, very simple, literally the easiest thing you'll ever see. That's what we're going for, just kind of to outline I don't know how to explain it, but I just did it one day and I was like, I like this. So I'm going to take the darker brown from the palette, which is coconut. Alright, I'm just going to pop some eyeliner on my tight line. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Fenty mascara. I want something that's nice and voluminous, but kind of natural as well at the same time. See, the perfect mascara. It's very voluminous, but it also doesn't cover up the eyeshadow fully because that's not what you want. So to finish off the face, so I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup like bronzer stick. This one is in the shade Baked. I've actually been using this like every day recently. I'm obsessed with it. It was sat in my drawer and now I can't stop using it. This is just one of those cream products that you just can't go overboard with. Like, it's so natural and it blends out so easily that you can put a shit ton on and it'll just still like blend out and look really good. So okay, so I'm gonna use the Flower Blush Balm. This one is Pinched. I think this is like my favorite. A really nice kind of peachy, it's like a warm peach. A little, didn't tell you the brushes. Okay, I need to check if this brush set is still available because I get a lot of questions on this brush and also my concealer brush, which are both from the same set. It's a Real Techniques set, I guess. This doesn't have a name on it, but I use that for my concealer all the time. And then this one is their buffing brush that I use for my cream bronzer. But then for blush, anyway, I'm going to use the angled highlighter brush, which I know you can still get this. So I'm going to use a powdered bronzer over top. This is one of my favourites. I haven't used this in so long, but this used to be like one of my favourite bronzers, and I feel like I don't use it because it's like in a palette, so I keep like my face palettes in like a separate drawer to like my regular bronzers. But I loved this so much, and I still do, to be honest. It's from Be Bold and it's their contour kit. I literally don't care about this. I don't care about this. The bronzer, that's the one. So nice. It's just so glowy, but there's no glitter whatsoever. And it's just the perfect like glowy bronzer. You're not going to be able to see it much, I know, but actually you can see it a lot there. Just because obviously I've got the cream underneath, but like look what it did. I need to take some of this makeup off before I go to work because I look too... Like, I don't want them getting the wrong idea. I don't want them thinking I'm showing up to work with all this makeup on, because they're going to think I care about my job, and I don't. I think I'm gonna take the eye makeup off because I'm definitely not going in with this glitter all over my eyes. So I'm then gonna use the Ultimate Setting Spray for summer. This is just the one. It's from Fourth Ray Beauty. It's the Glisten Up Mist. It smells like oranges. It smells like citrus. It is beaut. So my camera did just cut out. I don't know what you saw last, but setting spray is done and we've literally just got lips left to do. No, okay. So I'm gonna use London from NYX. Okay, so that's lip liner done, and then I'm just gonna go over with the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Yeah, I really don't want to take my hair down because it's gonna look like a sack of shit. This is the summer makeup look that you're gonna be wearing even though the sun has gone. Who knows, fingers crossed, maybe if we all just join together, wear this makeup look every day, the sun will just decide to come back. Anyway, that's the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed the makeup look. I hope you like the makeup look. You know what, I don't care what season it is, I'll still wear this makeup look anywhere. Anyway, I am gonna go wipe off half of this because, you know what, I work in retail. Retail doesn't deserve this makeup look. So on that note, I hope you have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video.